स्टार्ट कहाँ से करूँ समझ में नहीं आ रहा, क्या बोलूँ। ओके एवरीवन, लेकिन नो ऑडियो अकेले कैमरे से आपको इंटरनली जो ऑडियो है वो सही मिलता नहीं है, तो ऑब्वियसली यू नीड टू बाय माइक एंड स्पेशली विथ GoPro you cannot use mic simply, that's why you need to order an adapter. Now this adapter particularly is very expensive, and especially what I've heard, the size of this adapter is almost equal to the camera. So I'm just gonna open it now. This adapter is do we have an MRP? The MRP is 4,300. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but I got it for 4,000 almost. 50 रुपए कम रहा होगा, तो बोल के देखते हैं, टेप लगाते हैं. I was planning to cover a video, where I'll talk about how practical is making vlog. जितना साइज में वीडियो में दिखा रहे थे उतना बड़ा भी नहीं है, बट हाँ, दिस इज क्वाइट बिग इन साइज. ये बैटरी से भी बड़े साइज का है, एंड दिस थिंग विल गो इनसाइड, आई मीन ऑन द साइड jack of GoPro, and then here you have two options. You have one, I think this is the C type, and then we have got 3.5 mm jack for audio. Now this thing is simply a converter from C type to 3.5 mm jack. If you buy it normally, it should not cost you more than like for a decent one, it should not cost $400, but GoPro does not really allow or accept any other kind of input, so you'll have to buy this dangle, big dangle. Now with this dangle you cannot really vlog, so you'll have to buy a case. I'm gonna show you the case later, because right now the GoPro is already fixed on that case. So that is done. I'm gonna fix it later and then show it to you. And then on the other hand, I have this mic, which is Boya mic. So now what Amazon has really decided, they have stopped giving any kind of packaging, and now as of now they are sending this cover. I don't know for what purpose. They are it's just a message that effort to protect the environment, but how exactly are we supposed to use it? Are we supposed to use it later? I'm not sure. I got the similar one with this as well. Now I'm gonna open this mic. Now this mic is way cheaper than the adapter. The mic itself cost around 2,200, but I got it for around like 1,600. I'll share the link in my video, so you can go ahead. Now this looks pretty amazing. What all do we have? So we have one warranty card. Not really sure if you're supposed to fill it or not, because these days online bills are sufficient. And then we have got this instruction guide, how to use it, so have a look at that. Now the mic looks very interesting. You've got a nice dead cat. I'm gonna pull it out of the mic. Yep, so it has like a, I think, rubber grip sort of thing. This is a Boya dead cat, which will help you with the sound. Help you cut the wind sound. So that's a part. This is the mic. Looks pretty heavy, so it's gonna definitely increase the weight of the camera by almost I'd say 300 grams. I'm yet to check the weight of the mic if we have it over here. I don't think so. इन्होंने पूरा इस पे स्टिकर लगा के कवर कर दिया है. Then we get basically this particular thing where you put up your mic. So ये इसमें जाके ऐसे फिक्स होगा. I'm yet to see, ट्राई करके बताऊंगा कैसे करना है. बट बेसिकली आपका कैमरा थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर हिलेगा तो ये स्टेबल रखता है, तो आपका साउंड अच्छे से आता है. दिस इज द थिंग विच गोज ऑन द टॉप ऑफ द camera. Then we get this 3.5 mm jack both side, and then we have got another sort of 3.5mm jack. Now whichever works. Now this is TRRS, so it has 2 rings, and this one has 3 rings. So I think this is TRS, this is TRRS. So this one is gonna work with GoPro. Then we get this silica gel, of course, and then we have a very nice pouch. This is Boya pouch. Yep. So yeah, that's the content. So I'm gonna fix it and then I'm gonna show it to you. So yeah, ये setup मैंने कर लिया है. So you can see this is Ulanzi case. थोड़ा light अच्छी लेता हूँ. So this is the Ulanzi case, which is used for this setup. It's actually very easy to fit in this particular adapter. आप ये side से slide करो, and then you have to make sure that the the cord comes on the side where you have these sockets available. You just plug it over here, and then on the other hand use the the cable. So ये वाला जो केबल है particularly ये है TRS केबल, जिसमें I think एक रिंग कम रहती है. And then you just insert, ये ऊपर एक सॉकेट बना हुआ है, इसको पता नहीं शू जैक भी बोलते हैं, I'm not too sure, पर उसमें आप ये फिट कर दो, एंड देन ऊपर से ये जो व्हील दिख रहा है उससे आप टाइट कर सकते हो. एंड दिस इज़ हाउ योर कैमरा इज़ गोइंग टू लुक लाइक. एंड देन अभी तक मैंने टेस्ट नहीं किया इसका ऑडियो. द ऑडियो इज़ डिसेंट, नॉट वेरी क्रिस्प, बट देन आई थिंक जहाँ पे बहुत सारा नॉइज़ होता है वहाँ पे आपका ऑडियो खाली कैच करे. सो फॉर दैट आई थिंक it's gonna do a decent job. And then we have this huge dead cat. So इसको भी फिक्स करके मैं एक बार दिखाता हूँ. If you look at this, ये कैमरा वाइड एंगल है, बट स्टिल आई डोंट थिंक ये कैमरे के अंदर आने वाला है. जितने मैंने वीडियोस में देखा था उसमें दिख रहा था कि ये जो आपका डेड कैट है वो लेंस तक आ जाता है, बट दैट्स नॉट एक्चुअली ट्रू. एट लीस्ट फॉर मी, इफ आई सेट इट अप करेक्टली, आई डोंट थिंक ये ऐसा हो रहा है. ये बिल्कुल भी कैमरे के लेंस के ऊपर तो नहीं आ रहा. सो दिस इज हाउ योर vlogging setup is going to look like. Yep. So yeah, I'm gonna make a special video about the entire cost and what initially I thought and what's the reality regarding the cost of vlogging and everything. So do check out for that, or keep yourself tuned. And I'm gonna end the vlog on this note. Now I'm standing right now outside, घर के थोड़ा बाहर हूँ, और यहाँ पे दोनों चीज़ें टेस्ट हो जाएंगी. एक तो पहली चीज़ कि ये लेंस में आपका डेड कैट आ रहा है कि नहीं. आई एम श्योर मेरे हिसाब से तो नहीं आ रहा है. आई थिंक करेंटली इट्स लीनियर, सो लेट मी जस्ट क्विकली चेंज इट टू वाइड एंगल. Yep, so now it's on wide angle. We also have a super view that comes with 2.7K. So currently the setting is 4K 60 FPS with a wide angle. And now I just want to test the audio as well. यहाँ पे काफ़ी शोर आसपास है. I'm yet to do the testing. आप लोग को पहले पता चलेगा. पास में कंस्ट्रक्शन का काम हो रहा है. So there is like machinery sound जो आप रॉड वगैरह कट करते हो, plus there is a wind noise. So I'm yet to see इसका ऑडियो कैसा आता है. So I want to cut down all those extra noise that I have. Plus for me it is very important that the audio should be crisp. So let's test it out. How's the audio, and then it'll be I'll be able to tell you whether it's a good deal or not. ओके, सो बाहर की टेस्टिंग तो हो गई है. घर की भी टेस्टिंग कर लेता हूँ. एंड घर की टेस्टिंग में यहाँ कोई विंड नॉइज़ तो कुछ खास नहीं है, बट फिर भी आई जस्ट वांट टू फाइंड आउट जो एक्स्ट्रा साउंड है वो आता है कि नहीं. सो करेंटली आई एम टैपिंग ऑन माई टेबल टू फाइंड आउट लेटर whether this tapping sound is captured or not. Now I'm currently using the dead cat, so I'm gonna quickly remove it to find out if it makes any change in the audio or not, because yeah, now the wind is happening, so I'm not sure wind noise aa raha hai ki nahi, but yeah, without the dead cat and with the dead cat, what's the difference? That's what I'm gonna find out. One thing what I also saw in many videos is that you do have an option to basically cut the hair if you feel they are blocking your lens. So as of now I don't really think that's required, but this thing is pretty huge. Like if you see it, it's almost half the size of my palm. So yeah, but yeah, so far it's everything is good. I think that'll be all for as of now. If you do have any questions, comment in the comment box, and do let me know, or if you feel there is any other alternative or there is something better that can be done, please let me know. So till then, bye bye.
Yo, microphone check, make it a microphone check, give it a microphone, I make it a microphone dead.